In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a YouTube video into your WordPress site using the Elementor plugin. Whether you're showcasing a video tutorial, product demonstration, or any other engaging content, embedding videos can significantly enhance your website's appeal. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step to ensure your site looks fantastic with the new video. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you've logged into your WordPress account, head over to the dashboard, which serves as the control center for all the activities on your site. You'll find all your website's tools and settings in one place, ready to help you manage and customize your site efficiently. Next, focus on the left-hand menu, where you'll see a section labeled Pages. Hover over Pages, and a drop-down will appear. Click on All Pages to reveal a list of all the published and draft pages on your website. This step is essential as you'll need to select the specific page where you want to embed a YouTube video. Once you have your list of pages in front of you, choose the page you wish to edit. Now, to access the Elementor page builder, click on Edit with Elementor. Elementor is a powerful plugin that allows you to drag and drop elements easily, making website design simpler and more intuitive. Make sure the page you want to work on is open in the Elementor editor. Now, we're going to search for the HTML widget within Elementor. Look for the search bar on the panel to your left and type in HTML. Drag the HTML widget from the sidebar and drop it into the desired section of your web page. This widget is used to insert custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code into your page, which is precisely what we need for an iframe. The next step involves retrieving the iframe code for your video. Head over to YouTube and find the video you want to add to your website. Under the video, you'll see a share button. Click on it and then select Embed. This will provide you with an iframe code that you can simply copy by clicking Copy right under the provided code snippet. Finally, return to your Elementor editor on WordPress. Click on the HTML widget where you've positioned it. Erase any placeholder text and paste the iframe code you just copied from YouTube right into this widget. Once pasted, Elementor will instantly render the video exactly where you've placed it, and there you have it. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking Update to ensure your new video is live on your site. This simple process allows you to enhance your WordPress page with engaging video content, delivering visually appealing and informative media to your site visitors.